Looks like baseball double. Number 9. Beautiful little vinyl out of one of these. Look, everybody. Oh, Marcelo Dylan Cruz, rookie silver. So Anthony Select certified. Smith, Darren Baker, tricolor. So Mizorowski phenomenon. Smith Lawler. So Eddie Collins, orange. Pretty sure he's a White Sox. Check. So 49. Colin got both shy tests. Dante Nori, orange. Little fills. So 49 Churio numbers. No big hurts. So orange box. So Blake Burke, the Brew Crew, Colin. So 39 to 49. Bobby Witt, Select certified. Emerson, Carson Williams, tricolor. Tie-dye. So Matt Shaw. It's the tie-dye Diamond Action rookie 6. As for the Cubbies, Colin. Rule 24-25. And it's like baseball's always loaded with color. Oh, Willis Anthony. So Wilson's silver. Old tie cop. 10 Yadi Molina. So color match. The cards, Kents. Bo Jack, Select certified. Augustine, Paul Molitor, Old Copper. Triantos, double Cubby. 25. So Triantos, Diamond Action Sigs, purple. It's for the Cubs. It's gone. 35 or 35. Oh, Nick Kurtz, rookie. Dix Mizorowski, tricolor. It's for the Brew Crew. So Griffin base. Schultz, Griffo Farrell, purple. So 75 Brett numbers. Louder solid is Morlando silver. O'Connor Griffin, so red jersey. Bird Colin. So 32 and 99. Piazza over Noah Schultz, phenomenon red. So White Sox. And a prime time tricolor. So Mizorowski, Select certified. Okaba, Mike Piazza. So line 49. So Roman turbocharged. Williams, Augustin Ramirez, rookie copper. So 125. The Marlins, McKenzie. The last team mojo. Cunha, Drew Burris. So Ozzie White. Christian Campbell, select certified. There's a Christian Moore, Maddox, silver. Maddox, Andrew Walters. Keith Carson Williams. So copper Tampa. 125. Ethan Holiday, select certified. NIL spots. All rise. So Spencer Jones, purple, 75. Redemption. Another Triantos. And another Triantos. The Diamond Action 6. Another hit for the Cubbies. He's calling. Dylan Cruz, Diamond Action level. Or Diamond level. Johnny Mize, tricolor. Little Rentaro phenomenon. Teal Rook. Draw Bojack. Theo Gillen, light blue. So 199, Acuna turbocharged. Yachty, Jake Arrieta, silver. So Aiden Miller, 2-color patch. So the Phils. So 349. Like Sugano. Again, Bojack, tricolor. Closing it out. So Evan Carter. So Texas, color match blue. So the range is Colin. 23 of 49. Jang base. Chevy right there. Another 2 is up down second half the case. Yep, that's 6. Oh, select double number 9. So jumping in, everybody.